Imagine standing on the red planet, surrounded by towering mountains and deep valleys. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has always fascinated humans. From its rusty red hue to its barren landscape, Mars is a world unlike our own. But what if you spent just 5 seconds on Mars? Would you be able to survive? Would you be able to breathe? Let's find out. The first thing you'd notice is the atmosphere. Mars' atmosphere is incredibly thin, about 1% of Earth's. This means there's no air resistance, no wind, and no sound. It's a deafening silence. You'd feel like you're in a vacuum, with no air to breathe. The temperature would be another shock. Mars is a very cold planet, with temperatures ranging from 1 to 5°C to 20°C. That's even colder than Antarctica. You'd freeze instantly, your skin turning blue, and your body shutting down. But what about the gravity? Mars has only about 1/3 of Earth's gravity, which means you'd weigh much less. You could jump higher and move faster, but you'd also struggle to walk. The gravity is so weak that you'd feel like you're floating. Now, let's talk about the air. Mars' atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, with some nitrogen and argon. There's no oxygen, which means you couldn't breathe. You'd suffocate in seconds, your lungs unable to extract oxygen from the air. The pressure is another issue. Mars' atmosphere is so thin that the pressure is extremely low. This means your body would expand, like a balloon filling with air. Your skin would stretch, your eyes would bulge, and your lungs would rupture. But what about the radiation? Mars has no magnetosphere, which means it has no protection from the sun's radiation. You'd be exposed to harmful UV and X-rays, which would damage your DNA and cause cancer. So, what would happen if you spent 5 seconds on Mars? You'd freeze, suffocate, and be exposed to harmful radiation. You'd struggle to walk, and your body would expand like a balloon. It's a hostile environment, one that's inhospitable to human life. But despite the dangers, humans are still drawn to Mars. We're fascinated by its beauty, its mystery, and its potential. Who knows what secrets Mars holds? Who knows what wonders await us on the red planet? So, what do you think? Are you ready to explore Mars? Share your thoughts. Comment below.